Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a gradient text like this on your Canva on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a gradient text in your Canva, just going to show in this video like this. So I just open a share tab here. You just need to first click on this apps option. After clicking on the apps option here, you just need to type as gradient. So just type as gradient and just search it, and you can find a lot of apps here. So you just need to click on the plus apps and now just search on the gradient, and here you can see the type gradient. Click on this and you can just need to open it. Now here you have the main text. Here you can just type what is the text you just needed. For an example, I just going to type as text now. You can see now it have a preview on the top. So this will allows you to change the gradient shade, how it should be look like. You can see how it's going to be changed. You can just easily change it like this. Then you have option to reset the portion, and here you can just change the font if you just need it. Then you can just align, and also the line height can also be changed. And now click on the gradient. Here you can just customize the shade. So you can just go with green, or you just go with blue, or here just go with pink color, and here I'm just going to change this to blue again. So after selecting it, you can just also delete the code if you just need it. You can just change it and click on the add design option. So now the design has been added to your text or your design. So you can just enlarge it and you can just place it where so you can't edit this thing. It look like actually image. You can only crop. You can only add the text again by using this option. This is how you just insert a gradient text on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.